Hello people, today we are going to solve a GRE quantitative problem involving fractions. Let's take a look. Let's begin by simplifying quantity A. We will simplify its denominator first. Right there we have the denominator, which is 2 over 3 minus 1 minus 2 over 1 over 3. Denominator of the second term, which is 1 minus 2, will give us negative 1. Now two negatives multiplying each other would give us plus. Knowing that 1 over A over B would give us B over A, 1 all over 1 over 3 will turn into 3 over 1. At this point we could use the fraction addition formula in order to solve 2 over 3 plus 3 over 1. So we have 2 times 1 plus 3 times 3 over 3 times 1, which is 2 plus 9 over 3. Therefore, the denominator is 11 over 3. We can now simplify quantity A. Now, let's replace the value of the denominator by its value in quantity A. 1 over 4 all over 11 over 3 is equal to 1 over 4 times 3 over 11. Since A over B all over C over D is equal to A over B times D over C. Having a fraction product, the numerators multiply each other, so do the denominators. In this case, 1 multiplies 3 and 4 multiplies 11, which will give us 3 over 44. Now that we have the value of quantity A, which is 3 over 44, let's proceed by simplifying quantity B. We'll simplify its denominator first. Looking at the second term of the denominator, 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. Both negatives multiplying each other will give us a plus. Looking at the second term again, 1 all over 2 over 3 would give us 3 over 2. Using the fraction addition rule, 1 over 4 plus 3 over 2 is equal to 1 times 2 plus 4 times 3 over 4 times 2, which gives us 2 plus 12 all over 8. So we get 14 over 8. Since we have two even numbers as a numerator and a denominator, we can simplify each one of them by 2, which gives us 7 over 4. We can now simplify quantity B. Let's replace its denominator by 7 over 4. 1 over 3 all over 7 over 4 would give us 1 over 3 times 4 over 7. We obtain 4 over 21, which leads us to the final result of B. At this stage, how can we compare both of the quantities without the use of any electronic device or a calculator? Well, upon simplifying both quantities, we can finally analyze the difference delta, which is quantity A minus quantity B. If delta is greater than 0, then quantity A is greater. If delta is less than 0, then quantity B is greater. If delta is equal to 0, then the quantities are equal. If delta is not defined, then the relationship cannot be determined from the information given. Now let's compute delta by replacing quantity A and quantity B by their respective values, which will lead us to 3 over 44 minus 4 over 21, which in return will lead us to 3 times 21 minus 44 times 4 over 44 times 21. This gives us 63 minus 176 all over 924, which is negative 113 over 924. Delta is a negative number. Since delta is less than 0, then quantity B is greater.